So hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. In this video we're going to see about the DXpress U2 model. So awesome bike guys. So let's get into the video. So first of all, this is not a bike, this is an electric moped. So you can easily pedal the bike and go on. So let's see the length, height and breadth of the moped. The length is 1654 mm and breadth is 725 mm and height is 1060 mm. And curb weight of the moped is 54 kgs and load capacity is 100 to 200 kgs. So the motor is, so let's talk about the motor afterwards. So let's go for the tires. So tires, we have fully tubeless tires. So front and back, and the tire size is 2.75 into 16-inch tubeless tires. And braking of the moped is front side you have drum brakes and rear side you have both are drum brakes. You can see it. So front and back you have solar suspension, which front is telescopic suspension and rear you have double shock absorbers. So this is a Japanese made bike. You can see it. So talking about the lights, so the lights are fully LED. You can see it. There is no high beam, low beam over here. So when you on the switch, the all lights will glow. So on the back side, the LED designs are very good, guys. You can easily see it. So the climbing of the bike radius is 10 degrees. You can easily climb over the bike within 10 degrees. So let's go for the indicators. The indicators is also LED. So let's go for the motor. So this motor comes with 250 watt BLDC motor. So this is a Bosch made motor, guys. The motor quality, everything will be very good. You can easily see the motors and chains. So if the battery drains out, you can easily pedal the bike and go on. So I will handily pedal it. So the top speed goes up to 35. So the controller used in this is Victor frequency controller. So I can make a separate video for that. Let me know in the comments. So the top speed goes up to 35 on pedaling. So the seat quality is very good, guys. So this is a split seat. So comes with 4 color variants: white, yellow, red and blue. The seat quality everything are very good. There is no charging port available. You have to separate the battery from the seat and charge it. And talking about the seat height, the seat height comes with 774 mm. This is very common. So let's go for the instrument console. So in that we have the speedometer and odometer and eco and power mode indicator and battery indicators, battery percentage indicators. You can easily see it. So the total number of pedaling the kilometers or the minutes are shown in the display. So there are 2 modes available, power and eco. So there is no difference between the power and eco, because top speed goes up to the same. I will show you in the test ride. So by pressing the hazard lights, you can easily switch on the 4 LEDs. So you can easily see it. The switch quality, everything else are very good. You can easily see it. So the ground clearance of the bike is 120 mm. So there is little storage space available over here. The charging port over here also. You can easily charge your mobiles, everything else. So hooks is also available. So the space is very low, guys. You can put a cylinder over here, and front also space available. So back space available. You can easily go 2 persons over here at the weight of 200 kgs. You can easily load the bike up to 200 kgs. So there is no license required to drive this bike, moped. So I am telling bike, there is no bike, there is moped. So let me remove the battery and show it for you. So first of all, you have to put the bike over the seat over here. So the seat will easily remove. So you have to separate the battery to charge. So it comes with a DXpress battery. So you can easily see it. So this comes with a 24H lithium ferrous phosphate battery. So that gives up to mileage up to 60 kilometers, 55 to 60 on riding. So you can easily pedal and go up to kilometers of 100 if you pedal. So the price of the bike is 60 to 65k. I have to tell in the front. So let's go for the test ride. So this is on parking mode. You have to press a brake to release it. So there are 2 modes available. So this is on eco mode. The top speed of the 2 modes are the same, guys. There is no difference between it. So the suspension, everything else are very good. So you can easily pull on off-roading. Not that much of off-roading, slightly. So the charging time of the bike is 4 to 5 hours, guys. You have to remove the battery and charge it, or the apartments are you can wherever you want, you have to charge it. You can charge it. So now I am pedaling the moped. So let's see how the top speed goes while I'm pedaling. So this comes with anti-theft alarm, guys. You can see it on the normal electric bikes, which you can lock the bike, start the bike, everything else on the key, on the remote key. So I will goes up to 90, 20. So the speed goes up to this. So you can see the speedometers over here, readings over here. So there are two modes of speed in the same speed guys. There is no difference between it. So if your bike stops on the middle with no battery over here, you can easily pedal it. So the main reason for you to buy this electric moped is you can easily pedal. So there is no stopping. You can easily pedal like a cycle, guys. There is no pressure over here. So the top speed of me goes up to 25. I can pedal up to 25. You can see the speedometer readings. So I have put on the power mode. So there is a timer running, guys. So that shows which how much minutes you have driven on the pedal. You have pressing the pedal. So this is good for the weight loss also. So the main plus point of this moped is, so you can easily pedal it, and this moped is suitable for which you have to daily carry your luggage or anything else. You have to buy materials for your industry use. So you can easily buy the moped and use it. So you can buy the bike on Coimbatore, guys. If you are on Coimbatore, I will give the shop details on description. So I will also give the official website of the bike in description. You can also check it out. So I have also linked my Instagram ID to this description, guys. So if you have any doubts, anything else, you can easily check it out and put me a direct message over there. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to your family who wants to buy an electric moped or electric bike. So this is very useful for them, guys. And see you in another vlog, which is going to be an electric bike or tech related contents on this channel. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in another vlog. Until then, bye.